Nazara Tech, the heart of Bangladesh's dry fish industry. Despite their hard work, dry fish producers face steep challenges due to lack of capital and access to credit, storage, and modern processing facilities.
এটা প্রচুর টাকা লাগে, এই মাছগুলা প্রচুর মাছ রাখতে হয়, এগুলো করতে আমাদের টাকায় খাবার হয় না।
তখন বিভিন্ন জনের তো মহাজনের শুনতেই টাকা নিতে হয়।
যে জিনিসটা তৈরি করতেছে সেটা তেমন মানসম্মত হচ্ছে না, প্লাস স্বাস্থ্য ঝুঁকির কারণ হয়ে দাঁড়ায়।
To address these challenges, the APFPF04A project came forward, strengthening cooperatives like the Nazara Tech Mochojibi Shomabay Shomedi Limited, NMSSL, who are implementing its business plan under this initiative. The cooperative received $29,135 in funding. They also put their own savings with this funding to invest into their business operations. The cooperative provided funds to 48 member producers. In return, it procured nearly 12 metric tons of dry fish, stored under improved facilities.
তারা 5 মাস ওই টাকাগুলো ব্যবহার করছে, তারপর ওই টাকার পরিবর্তে আমাদের সমিতিতে মাছ দিয়ে দেয়।
Once dependent on pesticides, cooperative members now use organic drying, covered zones, and cold storage to ensure safer, better quality dry fish.
কীটনাশক দিতে হতো, এখন আর এটা দিতে হয় না।
Through their collective business plan, 50 member producers now manage 950 decimals of drying space and tripled their production to over 30 metric tons in the first year. Branded packaging and online promotion are opening doors to new customers. The cooperative is now planning to expand its reach, creating a new brand of its own and gaining market access. The Nazara Tech Cooperative is proving that when small producers unite, they can stand tall, free from debt, free from middlemen, and ready to claim their fair share of the sea's bounty.